What is going on? It's Chill Trader. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about crypto, NFTs, DeFi, Metaverse, and all those kind of stuff, futures trading, spot trading, make sure you hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my important crypto and trade updates, right? So let's check and let's navigate the market. Bitcoin and the rest of the altcoin is at risk of 20% drop. Is it time to short? Let's check. All right, so just a quick advertisement before we start, guys. Reason why you should open an account in BITGET. BITGET new and improved 2.0 platform, seamless user experience, responsive and optimized design for all digital devices. Open, close, set TP and stop loss using the drag and drop feature. BGB BITGET's native token. Use it as trading fee discounts, launchpad privilege, Groupon, super airdrops, money tree privilege, and BGB earn. Deposit, hold, earn up to 6% annual percentage yield. Buy crypto with credit cards, Apple Pay, or Google Pay, using the most trusted payment infrastructure in the world of crypto. BITGET received regulatory licenses in Australia, Canada, and in the US. So what are you waiting for? Download BITGET. The link is in the description down below. All right. So let's check what is happening with the overall crypto market. Who are watching today? We have LDO, we have Cheese, we have Hex, we have SNX, Play to Earn, we have TON. I still don't know what is TON. We have XDC negative 3.2 Celsius, we have -1, and we have all of this little green bubbles trying to grow. So let's check if these bubbles are going to grow bigger or are they going to pop in the coming days. Fear and Greed Index, last week it was 41 and right now we are back to 28. This is going to be fast stream today because again I have a allergic rhinitis. All right, so we have our liquidations here. The number of liquidation in the past 24 hours mostly are shorts getting liquidated. If you haven't watched the stream, guys, we have already predicted that we might get a bounce on the support level. So why a lot have been shorting the support level? So now we are approaching the resistance. So basic trading, short near the resistance and long near the support. Don't short near the support. You only short when there's a break of support or break of trend. And you only long on resistance when there is a break of resistance. But you long upon retest confirmation, not on the breakout itself, because it could be a fake out. Let's check how many million? 18 million shorts has been liquidated. We have Luis Escobar. Welcome to the live stream. We have New Destination Always First. We have Imran. Hi, Chill. How are you? We have Alejandro Rajiv Gonzalez Torres. Hi, can we open short 50x now? Make it. And by the way, just a quick disclaimer before we proceed. The information provided on this channel is based on my personal opinion and for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the channel's content as such. I do not recommend any cryptocurrency should be bought, sold, or held by you. Do conduct your own research and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decision. All right, so we can now proceed with our technical analysis, chart, and updates, guys. All right, we have also Jabber Maboob watching. Hi, Chill, ETH, possible price action, please. Today, I'm going to share with you DXY, dollar index, BNX, Shiba Inu, CRV, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and we have 4 new destination. If we still have time, we're going to check Rune update. All right. Luis Escobar, my crack chill best trader ever. Thank you very much. We have also Iqbal Mahamood from Bangladesh. Welcome to the stream, brother. Welcome to the stream. I like your hairstyle, dude. How did you see my hairstyle? We have TRXZ. Hello, legend. What is going on with our legends today? We have Easy D. What's up? We have Vibes and we have Andres Jaworski. Why are you crying, dude? What is wrong? Why are you crying, Andres Jaworski? All right, so liquidation in the past 24 hours, $18 million. And we have some upcoming events, guys. Watch out for. We have Ethereum merge coming on September 15. Mark it on your calendar. We have CDFI or S-Fund. We have also Binance or BNB happening on the 25th of August. Binance P2P AMA, Ask Me Anything. We also have Sandbox tomorrow. Alpha Season 3 begins. So watch out because news could trigger either a pump or a dump. So check if it's going to be buy the rumor and sell the news. September 15, mainnet merge for Ethereum. Tomorrow, August 24, Alpha Season 3 for Sandbox. And we have CDFI, end of August, August 31, SNFT's airdrop coming for CDFI fund. It seems he was liquidated in those 800 million. Oh, that's a bad news. So, before we proceed with the chart, let me show you one news here published 20 hours ago from Cointelegraph. Bitcoin data shows an altcoin at risk of 20% drop to new yearly lows. The total crypto market capitalization dropped to 1 trillion support, and weak stablecoin demand and largely absent funding rate reflects traders' negative sentiment. So watch out for this, guys. After the rising wedge confirmation was broken on August 17, the total crypto market capitalization quickly dropped to 1 trillion, and the bulls dream of recouping the 1.2 trillion support last seen on June 10 became even more distant. The worsening conditions are not exclusive to crypto market. The price of WTI oil ceded 3.6 on August 22, down by 28% from the peak of 122 seen on June 8. The United States Treasury 5-year yield, which bottomed on August 1 at 2.61, reverted the trend and is now trading at 3.16%. These are all signs that investors are feeling less confident about the central bank's policies of requesting more money to hold those debt instruments. Also, there are housing crisis happening in China. Can you check that out? And here's the interesting part. A 20% drop to retest yearly low is likely in the making, guys. So means this could happen either in the next weeks or in the next couple of months. We are going to verify this information on the charts. According to the derivatives and trading indicator, investors are more moderately worried about a steeper global market correction. Steeper, that's the keyword, steeper. The absence of buyers is evident in Tether's slight discount when priced in Chinese yuan and the near zero funding rate seen in futures market. These neutral to bearish market indicators are worrisome, given that total crypto capitalization is currently testing the critical 1 trillion support. If the US Federal Reserve effectively continues to tighten the economy to suppress inflation, the odds of crypto retesting the yearly low at 800 billion are high. So 800 billion, that's 20% drop from $1 trillion support. The views and opinion from Cointelegraph and from this YouTube channel are for educational purposes only. All right, guys. So that's the news. The target will be 20% drop. Right now, we are hovering on the 1 trillion support. That's the total crypto market capitalization. 1 trillion support. If we drop 20%, we're going to hit $800 billion target. All right. So let's verify this information in the charts. All right. So DXY back to its support trend line. There's a fake out here. There's a fake out, but also one thing you need to watch out in the daily time frame. This is already in the overbought area and could be forming a double top. Means if this drop, Bitcoin could pump higher and retest the previous resistance. But if this continues to move higher, because MACD is still looking very bullish here, MACD is still facing towards or planning to move to the upside here. If this continues, we could see this RSI hover on top like this area here, hover on top, and eventually this could even reach the top level of the resistance trend line. And rising broadening wedge is a bearish pattern, and usually the rejection area will be the top here before going down. So let's check in the coming days if US dollar index will get a double top formation here, we get a correction, Bitcoin pump and the rest of the altcoin, or if this will just retest the neckline here and continue to pump back up. So possible price action, breakout, retest the support, and then continue to pump back up. Or this could be rejected, forming double top, and will continue to move down. So let's check, guys, in the coming days what will happen if this continues to move up. Bitcoin and the rest of the altcoin is going to do a correction. But if this US dollar index gets rejected, then we might see a pump in Bitcoin and the rest of the altcoin. So one chart here, previous chart shared on the VIP Discord is BINGX. We have our short position here. It was near the entry, did not touch our line. But if you are in the VIP, I have discussed how to enter a trade, especially when you have a position like this. You can distribute your trade to 3 or 5 position and do breadcrumbs trade. So you distribute your short 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 position. In that case, you won't miss any of the target for the short area. So that's for BINGX, one of the VIP trade. The target of this will be the first support, yellow line, or this EMA here, the red line. This will be the first TP zone for BINGX. So if you have entered the trade, congratulations, take some profit along the way, adjust your stop loss back to entry, all right? The rest, you can let it ride. All of these EMAs right now will act as a support for BINGX. This was the previous short position here, and we have hit TP1, 2, 3, and we got a bounce from TP3, which is also the support here. And right now we are back. BINGX have retested the previous short entry point in the daily time frame. This could also be forming like a double top here, but this is higher compared to this line. So let's check in the coming days if this is just a normal correction or this could be a trend reversal. But right now we have a support trend line here. So until this level here, this could still be a correction. Yes, we have Shiba Inu. Watch out for Shiba Inu. This has been in consolidation for almost 4 days from this symmetrical triangle pattern. So possible long entry near the support, short near the resistance trend line here. These are the possible trades that you could do. Also, you can wait for a breakout. So possible price action, guys, and possible trades for this kind of formation is you can either long near the support. Let's check how many percent is that. So here, 1 sec. From the support, that's around 2.61%. That's already good if you're doing 25, 50x or 5x, 10x leverage. So 2.6% times 10, that will be around 20, 25, 30%. We have, you can also do short near the resistance. So here, possible. And breakout confirmation, breakout, retest of support, you enter long and you ride the waves. Breakout to the downside, breakout, retest the support, possible retest here. This was the support here. It will turn into a resistance once breakout to the downside happen. So what you can do is wait for the retest, then you can ride a short to the downside. Those are the possible trades, similar to the all the rest of the altcoins right now, forming a symmetrical triangle from the downtrend. Technically, 60% chance this could drop to the downside, but this is crypto. Anything could happen. So just to be safe, you can do safer entries long on support trend line, short near the resistance trend line, or you can long upon breakout confirmation to the upside or to the downside. Next, we have CRV. So this is also one of the VIP requests today in our Discord. So here's the chart. A while ago, CRV was hovering at around this area, 1.14. So short entry, white lines, possible target based on the Fibonacci retracement, if this is correct. So the possible target will be 38.2 or 1.14 area. These are the possible price target here. So you have higher percentage from 38.2, similar to this one. So similar, let me show you. So here from the bottom to the top here, let me delete this one first so you can see how you can plot Fibonacci retracement. So from the bottom, swing low, swing high here before from the previous price action. So swing high in the 1 hour time frame. Target was 38.2 and target was hit, and then it continues with the trend. And right now, this got rejected here. So let's use this now here, this one. So possible price target from this swing high, swing low and swing high will be 38.2%. So that was perfect based on this, guys, based on this low and high. So previously, this was the swing low and the swing high. This is my personal modified Fibonacci retracement. So what you can see I have here, the first target will be 38.2. The percentage of hitting this target is about 90%. Second is 50, percentage is around 70%. And the last is 61, the percentage will be around 50%. Or 40 to 50% for this one here. So 61.8 target here in this retracement. This have already hit the 38.2 from the peak here, or from the swing high based on the 1 hour time frame. Let's check how many percent is this. That's already a 4% drop from this high here, right? So possible target 38.2, and right now let's check the Fibonacci extension. So here, let me delete this. Yep. If this continues to pump, the first target, space this one here, 78.6. So the target will be these yellow lines here. If this continues to pump, continues with its trend to the upside, the possible target will be 50, 61 and 78%. Maximum up to 100%. All right. So this is in confluence with the resistance here as well. So 100% is near the resistance on this area. Also, the target here, we have all the resistances in confluence with our Fibonacci extension level for CRV. All right, so that's for CRV, guys. So congratulations to those VIP who have entered short position from this area. Your targets are 38 up to 61.8%, 1.114. That's for CRB. Going to Bitcoin. Going to Bitcoin. 22 watching, only 14 likes. So I can only use this once. To work a while ago. Again, not working. All right, so hit that like and subscribe, guys. Support the channel. 23 watching right now. So let's move on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, as expected, previous price action hit the support right now. as what I have discussed in the previous stream, I am expecting similar price action here. Similar price action here. So Bitcoin will retest the red line, 21,600-ish level. If this will break the resistance, so next possible price action, guys, we have here the red line, possible rejection. This could bring Bitcoin's price back to 20,800 level. This is the critical support level right now, key level support for Bitcoin. And as discussed in the previous stream, in case we break this support, the next target will be $19,000. Again, I'm expecting a big red candle just in case we drop below this support at 20,800 level. And just in case we break above this resistance red line here, 21,600-ish level, the next target we have white line as resistance, 20,000 until 22,600 level, which is the previous key level support turned into a resistance. So similar, we are still on the same level. That's what you can see here. This blue rectangle during the stream or in our daily live stream. Great show as usual. Any thoughts on Polygon, please? Let's check, guys. Let me check if we still have time today. I'm gonna check some of the requests. We have Rune in the line app, and this rectangle, blue rectangle, is our trading range for Bitcoin. So if you want to enter a safer entry, guys, you can short on the top of this rectangle. Not a financial advice, all are for educational purposes only. So if you want safer entry, short near the top of this rectangle area. This is our playing field for the futures trade, all right? Futures trade is not recommended, especially for the newbies who don't have any idea. You could be liquidated and you can turn your account into zero in an instant if you don't have any idea about futures trade. So education or educate yourself before entering into futures trade, because the risks are so high. In crypto, the risk is already high, and when you add leverage, you are just adding more risk to your position. I have seen several comments on my Twitter account. Very interesting comments. Let me show you. Let me show you very quickly, just for entertainment purposes only. Where? And it's crazy, guys. Very quickly. It's crazy. One here, one. These are not real trades. So one I got comment that if you have like 5, 20, 10, $20 position, it's not a real trade. If you're using 125x leverage times 10, that's how much? 10 times 125. That's already 1,250. So if you're going to, so I have with me here, let me just show you the comments. It's crazy. Here. Although he accepted it later on, just maybe find a way how to clear his previous statement. So here's the explanation, guys. The explanation, just very quick before we move on with our charts. So one comment here. Explanation 1 with regards to my position shared on Twitter. So this is for my Ethereum trade 5x leverage, and here's my Bitcoin short position at 21,000 guys. So later on I got out of the trade 100%. Explanation: the ETH margin never written in this stupid way. In BTC, ROE can pass 100%. It will be automatically closed. This type of trades aim for gullible fool and ready to be scammed. If the position of BTC goes can't pass negative 100%. So that was the first statement. So my comment, those are live trades in BitGet. It's open to the public. In BTC, ROE can pass negative 100. It will be automatically closed. What? Where is my... Where is my... I have one button. It will be Where did you get all of this information? Another one here. He tries to. Explanation 2. In mathematically retrospect, is in ETH, how 5x leverage with $114 give you position, while in BTC with 125x leverage and $24 gives you 3,000 position. Simply you put, you don't know how leverage calculation works. This is not my calculation, guys. This is the exchange calculation. So this is from BitGet and this is from Binance. These are live trades. So if this calculation are correct, ZZ, you don't know about leverage. So that is one. That is one, guys. That is one. Just for another one guy here. Maybe he's filthy rich. Maybe he's filthy rich. One sec. Yes, but that's not a real trade, mate. Everyone can open a trade with a very small investment like 1, 5, 10. I think 10 already poses huge risk if you're using 125 leverage and you're trading some crazy altcoin like ETC. That could liquidate a $1,000 account in an instant. And let it ride, then brag. Oh, look at this trade results. The first thing is my Twitter account and this YouTube channel provides trade analysis. This is not about the amount. If you're trading $1, $2, $10, whatever it is, as long as you're doing proper trading, I will salute you. But if you're just gambling, then there's no space here. The situation is much different when you have real investment, real invested behind it. $200, $300, and $400. $400 using 125x is a 50,000 position, guys. And when you're trading in range, such big range, you don't give this amount of risk. When you're trading big risk, you adjust your risk based on your portfolio. If you have $5,000 portfolio or $10,000, you don't put this kind of amount. Totally. You don't have proper risk management. You could be liquidated and just quit and continue with your whatever you're doing in the world. All right, so going back. Enough with the rant on Twitter. It's fun. The crypto Twitter is just amazing. So here we have Shiba Inu. It's already done. We have CRV. We have CRV already bouncing from 38.2, and as what we have discussed, the next target will be the yellow lines here, 50%, 61.8, and 78.6 Fibonacci extension level. These are the golden levels. The best target for Fibonacci extension and the best target for Fibonacci retracement. The yellow lines here, 38, 50, and 61 for retracement, 50, 61.8, and 78.6 for Fibonacci extension. ETH pumping hard. So moving on to BTC for Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin is trying to break right now the 21,600, and as what we have discussed, this is the playing field as of now. If Bitcoin manages to break the red line, then possible retest of support and the next target will be 22,500, while breaking below and getting rejected from this red line, next target will be the support. Bitcoin in the lower time frame has been hovering and trading within this range here, so watch out for the key level support 20,800, key level resistance at 22,600. That's for Bitcoin. Going to Ethereum. Ethereum right now is pumping and looks like it's breaking out. So in the VIP a while ago, before I do some other things, I have shared this in the VIP. Where's the 1 hour time frame? In the 1 hour time frame, I had discussed that if this level will hold, we might see Ethereum break out from this symmetrical triangle pattern. And right now we have seen a breakout, retest of support here at 1632, and we have this candle right now. Let's check if this will be able to break. So yeah, in the previous stream, this is our playing field here, this blue rectangle area here. So this is how many percent? From the bottom of this range here, this is around 10% for Ethereum. So again, possible price action for this wedge as discussed previously in this chart here from Shiba Inu. Watch out, guys, for the breakout for Ethereum. So long on support trend line, short near the resistance trend line, and long upon breakout confirmation. The next resistance for Ethereum in the daily time frame. In the daily time frame here, so target Ethereum already got rejected from the blue line, near the blue line. This will serve as the first resistance for Ethereum, 16990 area, and possible retest of support in the daily time frame at 1600 level. If this continues to pump and breaks this resistance at 1690 area, next target will be 1780 area for Ethereum. And we have some small resistances. All of these EMAs will act as a resistance for Ethereum. Let's check in the lower time frame if we can plot the Fibonacci extension. Let me use other chart. Here. This was the setup, guys. So as what you can see, let me actually share the Discord group here. Let me open it. So here's our play chart for Ethereum, guys. Long near the support trend line, We have short upon breakout confirmation. So breakout confirmation, this will be the price action. So breakout confirmation will look like this. You enter on the retest. For breakout to the upside, breakout, retest, and then you enter long on the retest of support. Similar here. See, we have breakout, retest. This is the entry point. Long upon breakout confirmation. Right now, the target, we have resistances here. This white lines will serve as a resistances for Ethereum, and also these EMAs here. So let me share this. I have several trade setups shared in the Discord group today. Congratulations to the VIPs who have entered those trades, especially Ethereum long upon breakout confirmation. Let's check how many percent is this. Almost 3%, and that's good enough. Using 100% or 100x leverage, that's already 300% for Ethereum. So next resistances, guys, for Ethereum, we have 1687 until 1722 area. All of these EMAs will act as a resistance. So watch out if this will be able to break to the upside. I'm gonna share this daily time frame. How to become a VIP. Fortunately, my YouTube chat is not working. I don't know. Not working. The link is in the description. Patreon. Head on to Patreon if you want to join the VIP. All right. So here's some of the futures trade setup today. Maybe some of your chart request is here. So let's check. So today we have BTC. We have BTC here. August 23. So we have BTC short at 21,600. I think this was yesterday night. And we have also Ethereum here. So this was the one of the VIP chart today. So long, you could have long near the support here. And this was the chart update, guys. Where was that chart? Here. So long, here's the VIP call. Long on support, long upon breakout confirmation, short near the resistance, and short upon breakout confirmation. And also I have some updates here. Let me share this update right now. So I have chart updates here. Ethereum chart update. And we have also BTC trading range. What's the update with Bitcoin? Let me share the other chart of Bitcoin. So here, 1 hour time frame. Let's check. Uh, 4 hour. Let's use 4 hour. So this was one of the trade update a while ago. Long here, orange line. I have shared this in the VIP. Where is that? Here. Possible quick long from the horizontal support, orange line. So this was the chart a while ago, guys. If you're looking at this chart, this was the perfect entry. Bitcoin was hovering around this orange line a while ago. So right now, how many percent is this from the orange line or from the orange long entry point? It has been up by almost 2%. The target, Bitcoin have hit the first orange line target here. And we have also possible long upon breakout confirmation, and we have short near the resistance here. So right now this one is playing. So this was the latest update a while ago on Bitcoin. I have with me here some of the updates. So let me share the chart update. 1 hour time frame. Close all of this. 1 sec. How many minutes right now? I'm live almost 50 minutes. So let me finish this and I'm gonna end the stream soon. How to become a VIP. The link is on the description down below, guys. You can join via Patreon. And also there is one post there. If you want to pay using crypto, there is a post there in the VIP. Or in the Patreon. So let me share this. BTC chart update. Also, we have Cake, but this is a wrong call here because there's no futures trade in Cake. This is only available on FTX. And we have also OP. Long position near 1.01. Let's check actually what happened to OP. Here's the OP chart. So here's the Fibonacci extension level, possible short entry near this red line 1.3651. So this will be the safest short entry for OP, guys. And if you're going to check the 4-hour time frame, this entry point is in confluence with a previous support turned right now into a resistance. So here we have several trades. This was the previous support, also resistance here. So possible good short also will be near this area here. And we have right now this blue line. This is the 200 or blue line. 1 sec. Blue line is the 4th. So this is the 200-day exponential moving average acting as a resistance for OP. Here, OP got rejected. So let's check the Fibonacci retracement from the bottom. 1 sec. So from the bottom up to here, let's actually use the 1-hour time frame. USDC pumping. Here we have one channel here. You can use this low. So possible target, retracement target 38.2, 50 and 61, 1.2460. Don't know if this is clear. I have so many lines right now. But we have in the 1-hour time frame, swing low, swing high, this range here. If we're going to use the bigger range, target will be a 1.123 area for the retracement. All right, so that's for OP. Let me check some of the requests. Rune, before we end the stream. This is for new destination. Do we have other charts in the... So this was the last chart. And we have also updates here. BNX, I've shared with you the chart of BNX. Let me just share the update here. I'm doing this live right now. So BNX chart update. We have also here Bitcoin short entry. You have all the rest of the cryptos here in the charts. We have trading ebooks. We have trader cheat sheet. We have YouTube, Twitter posts. We have the top gainers channel. We have the biggest loser, so not only the winning gains you can see in the VIP Discord, you can also see the top gainers, the legends, 1000 post 1000% and above gains on this channel. No chats allowed. A little bit slow right now. Discord is a little bit slow. So here we only post 1000 and above gains from this channel, and we have also the top gainers channel here, so 100% and above gains. We have our one of the legendary members of the VIP, Prince Gupta. Let me give this guy a drum roll and a party music because he loves to party. This guy is crazy, guys. I love his energy. One sec. Look at this. Look at this. He is crazy. Thanks, Chill. $100 profit credit. This guy is crazy, guys. He deserves a party music. I love his energy. I don't know if he's watching right now. Chill Trader, what about this? Chill somehow missed today's trade sale. If the breakout, what happened during the live stream, to tell me next price action. I am still live. All right, so going back to Ethereum, guys. Going back to Ethereum. What was the chart? Rune. I need to check Rune for new destination. One sec. New destination. We have Adele Barakat. Welcome to the live stream. Let me check Rune very quickly. So this was the previous trade setup, guys. For Rune, we have short here, perfect short position, perfect short entry for Rune. So we have the rising wedge pattern, which is a bearish pattern, and we have short position here. Target yellow line was hit. This was the previous support. Right now, it's acting as a resistance for Rune. So watch out. I'll just move this a little bit because all the candles, body of the candle is around this area. So watch out for this area here. If Rune will be able to break this, you can enter long upon retest of support. Next possible target 2.3, smaller time frame. And if this gets rejected here, check out the daily time frame. Possible rejection here. The next target will be 1.96 area. So trading range for Rune, same rectangle area here, same box, 24%. 24% playing field for Rune. So middle line, no trades within the middle line here. So possible near the rather near the resistance. So possible short if this gets rejected, or long upon retest of support. Breakout retest of support. Target will be 2.3 for Rune. Right, so this is already Rune have broke out from the rising wedge pattern, and the ideal target of the rising wedge will be the bottom of the wedge, which is around 1.754. So let's check in the coming days if this will reach the target. Ideally, the target will be the bottom of the wedge. All right, so that's for Rune. I'm gonna check very quickly Doge before we end the stream. Dogecoin, last chart for today. And guys, if you are enjoying this kind of content, please support the channel by hitting that like and subscribe. For Dogecoin still, this is trading between, you see this white line here. We have our previous short, by the way. Previous short entry was perfect. Congratulations to those who have watched the stream and to those who are in the VIP. Let me show you the Rune chart or rune, Dogecoin. So here, where was, right? So maybe here in this Dogecoin. Where was the chart? Let me find. All right, so let me find it very quickly. Doge. I just would like to show you the previous chart. Here. So this was discussed in the previous stream last August 17, guys. Doge short entry point was perfect. Let me show you. I have other chart here which shows the target. And we have also BNX here. BNX, so what you can see, this is only approaching the short position. And right now, here's the BNX update, guys. So this was shared earlier in the VIP. August 17, same with Dogecoin. This was shared earlier in the VIP when it was just approaching this orange line here using the daily time frame. And right now, here's the update for Doge. Rejected from the short position, a juicy gain from the short entry, 21% without leverage. If you add the leverage, guys, that is massive gains. If you have entered $1, so that's already $20 without leverage. If you add 10x leverage, that's already $200 using your $1 position. All right, so that's for Dogecoin. Next price action. Watch out for this resistance white line, guys. Doge has been trying to break this resistance. So possible trade, breakout, retest of support. Next target will be the pink line here, which is around 0.078. But if this gets rejected, Rune will hover here and eventually break out either to the upside or to the downside. So playing field for Rune will be this rectangle area. Right? So possible price action are these two arrows here. Breakout long upon retest of confirmation at 0.069. Short upon breakout confirmation. We have a support trend line here. Let me change the font. Support trend line. Rune has been touching the support, bouncing back up and getting rejected at this white line, 0.069. All right. So I think that's it for today. If you have enjoyed this video and everything that we have discussed in this channel are for educational purposes only. Again, only invest what you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency is high risk. Futures trading is super high risk. Not recommending trading futures for the newbies. If you don't know anything about futures, don't trade futures, guys. You can get liquidated. And to those who are already in the field for longer time, trade safely, protect your asset at all times. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Support the channel for the YouTube algorithm. Click that notification bell if you like this kind of content so you don't miss any of my important trade and crypto updates. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.